All right, so in 2.6, we're going to talk about factoring ax squared plus bx plus c when a does not equal 1. So what that means is that we're going to have multiple x squareds, not just one. We might have 2, 3, 4, or a few more than that. So before we start on this notes page, let's just review what the algebra tiles mean. So if you get a square, that's talking about x squared. The rectangles are x's, and the small squares are 1. If they have a plus on them, it means they're positive, and negative means they're negative. All right, so if you look at this exploration over here, we're going to be doing a similar exploration to what we did in 2.5, but this time we're going to have more than one x squared. So if you look at this first example, they have 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. So we have 2x squareds and then plus our 5x plus 2. So what you need to do again is arrange them in a rectangular shape, and then you can find what the sides are. And if you look at this one, we have x plus 2 and 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's look at example A, or part A. So for part A, we have 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. So it already has the tiles laid out for us. So we have 3x squared, and we've got 5x's, and plus 2. So we just need to find the side lengths. Well, what times x, or what times itself is going to give us x squared? That's going to be x times x, right? And then again, we want to do x times x to get these x squareds. To get our x values, we're going to do x times 1. And since everything here is positive, we know that all of our sides are positive. So our answer is x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. All right, we have x plus 1 here, and then 3x plus 2 up top. Okay, so I want you guys to try parts B and C. You can go ahead and pause your video and then press play to check that you got the correct answers. Okay, so here's what you should have gotten for B and C. You should have gotten 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 for B, and then for C, 2x minus 1 times x minus 5. So pause the video, check to make sure you got those correct before you move on.